Okay, so this is my old shed. Standard little tin shed. I've completely emptied it. It's all nice and clear in there. It's all spread out in my garden at the moment. And the plan is we're going to move this from here to here, which will mean I'll have enough room in this area here to start putting the base down. But there's only me, so this is going to be interesting. Right, here goes. A bit more that way. Well, that went better than expected. Right, let's get this stuff back in there and then I can start putting the base down. Ta-da! Right, start the hard work. Okay, the first step then is to get these slabs out the way, and then this is going to make up part of the floor or the base for the new shed. I've got to lay these out in a grid, clip them all together. I'll fill them with some of these garden stones, and then that's going to make the level bed for the bottom of the shed to go on. I'm going to cut the camera for now whilst I get all this out the way, because my battery light is flashing at me, so I'm going to put you guys on charge whilst I crack on with this, and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I've levelled this off. I've just marked out where the base of the shed's going to be going. It's going to be coming up this corner, back to the wall, back to the fence. This whole area is going to be my workspace. Whilst I was doing that and whilst the camera was charging, the actual shed turned up. So if I just pick you up, so we've got some of it there, some of it there, some there, some tucked in there, some tucked there. So I've got a fair bit of building to do. First off, once the dog gets out of the way, I've got to put a sheet down on here. This, so you can see that in the shadow. This sheet here is just a membrane to stop any weeds and things growing through. Put the floor down, chuck some gravel in on top, and then start putting the floor in. Okay, so I've got it all pinned down, and as you can see at this end I've started to fill it with gravel from the garden. So what this does The mesh holds all the gravel in place and makes it a really solid, sturdy base. There'll be no movement in there. The gravel is going to take up any slack underneath, and it's all going to be held nice and secure. The idea is to use the gravel from around the garden, because eventually I'm going to put it back to lawn, so that helps get rid of that, and then also gives me a decent foundation for the shed. So if I put you back on here, let's crack on with that. Okay, next job, paint the bottom of the floor, the underneath the floor, screw the sections together and get that sat on here. That's about as far as I can go today, because the rest of my wood preserve hasn't turned up, because this is all untreated wood, so I can't build it yet until I treat it first. But we'll get the floor on and then I think I'll call it a day. Okay, so everything's got a good thick layer of paint on. As well as the paint, it is a wood preserve which is going to soak in. I've not gone for neatness, I've gone for mass coverage, because once this turns over, it's should never be seen again. The whole idea of this is to put a good solid layer of protection between under the floor and inside the shed. That's going to be about it for today. Next time, hopefully, we should be able to build the rest of it, because the preserve will turn up, and then I can start shifting the bikes and tools into here, get rid of this little tin one, and then start moving forwards with the bike. We will be getting back onto the bike soon, I promise. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any tips or hints, anything you want to see on future builds or on this, please put them in the comments. As always, I will always put a reply. Yeah, fingers crossed, it won't be too long before we're back onto some more exciting stuff. So, thanks for your patience, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.